Have you ever wondered how to make your loved one's heart flutter with a simple gesture? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rosie, your flower enthusiast from the 416 Flowers channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of romantic gestures with flowers, and I'll be sharing some creative ideas to surprise your loved one in unexpected ways. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our flower-filled content. And if you're already part of our blooming community, welcome back. Now let's get into it. Flowers, as we all know, are a universal symbol of love and affection. But how can we elevate this timeless gesture to create a truly unforgettable moment? Well, it's all about the element of surprise and personal touch. Imagine waking up to a trail of rose petals leading to a breakfast table adorned with your favorite flowers. Or opening your car door to find a bouquet of vibrant daisies on the passenger seat. Or even discovering a hidden message in a bouquet of irises, where each color represents a different sentiment. The possibilities are endless and the reactions, priceless. Remember, it's not just about the flowers, but the thought, effort, and love you put into the gesture. And the best part? You don't need a special occasion to surprise your loved one with flowers. Any day can be made extraordinary with a little creativity and a lot of love. That's all for today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you to surprise your loved one in unexpected ways with flowers. And remember, if you're in the Greater Toronto Area, 416, Flowers is your best choice for flower delivery. They offer fast, same-day delivery options, deliveries 7 days a week, and the best prices. So for your next flower order, make sure to visit 416flowers.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to spread love, one flower at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.